Have you ever tried to create a report, ebook or digital info product and thought, that was easy? Nope, didn't think so. Let's face it, creating ebooks, free reports and digital courses is a pain. All that designing, writing, editing, formatting for every single page, and that's just for one ebook or report. Sure, you could outsource it and pay several $100 for an average report or ebook, not to mention the time and hassle of going back and forth with a bunch of freelancers. But what if there was a much easier, faster way to create reports, ebooks and full-blown digital products with content in minutes from now? You're in luck, because there's a brand new tool that's just hit the market called Sqribble, and it's going to make your life infinitely easier when it comes to creating digital ebooks. Forget hacking away at writing content. Forget slaving over design, layout and formatting. Forget blowing hundreds on freelancers. Forget wasting weeks trying to create a single ebook or report. Now you can get the ultimate edge over the competition, slash hours off your day, and pump out digital ebooks and reports at lightning speed. If you've ever tried to build a list or create ebooks to sell, then you know it can be a pain in the ass to make them. Even though it's a necessity and you can't do without them in an online business. It takes time to design and write the darn thing or outsource it for hundreds. But not anymore. Sqribble, a brand new software, has just been released that will create a beautiful ebook for you. Instantly fill it with real content. Style, format and export it. All in under a minute with just a few clicks. It's probably the best tool I've seen that I'll be using all the time. So I wouldn't wait, but run over there right now and download it. You'll also get $150 off. Be ready to be shocked. I'm not kidding, this is going to transform most people's business and marketing forever, saving hours of tedious work and thousands of dollars in freelancer fees over the coming months and years. If you need to create lead magnets for yourself or your clients, this is one breakthrough tool you don't want to miss. Check it out before it's gone.